Geography by Paulo Manalo. Oh, how dear your child are, who spoiled spontaneous in being fashion show. Beautifully as we speak in Cubao, there is the same look you're crossing Ibabaw. Your Nipa cute Wednesdays, Baclaran, please pass, kindly ride on. Tonight will be as tomorrowed, lovers of the happy meal and its age, who dream of the importedness of sex as long as it pirated and under 100, who can smell. A Pasig River is a dance club. Oh, the toilet would flush, but we are moved doing the derby. In a plastic bag, we want to feel the grooves of the records. We want to hear some scratch. In a breakaway movement where the shake to the motive of pockets to the max. The change is all on the first jeep of the morning road, rerouting. This city is its heart attack, 1 minute faster than the 4 o'clock and the next. Wave that stands out in the outdoor crowds, hanging with bunch of yo-yos. A face with an inverted cap on, wearing all smiles and smell of foot stuck between the teeth. In my own interpretation about geography by Paulo Manalo, it describes the lifestyle of a traditional Filipino people in how they work or how they